Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'll be trying this ramen that I found at Kroger. I don't know how to pronounce the brand name, but it's from the same brand of ramen. It's from the same brand of Thai ramen that I used to eat from Dollar Tree. It looks and smells really good. I'm also going to be trying this. I know that this is one of Hongjun's favorite drinks. I saw it at Kroger and I thought I'd try it because it looks interesting. I know I like banana milk, but I don't know if I'm gonna like this. We'll see today. First, I'm gonna try the ramen. And this is also a chicken flavored ramen. I forgot to mention that. I've never had this kind before, so let's see how it. I don't know what that is, but it tastes really good. It reminds me of like teriyaki chicken. I'm trying to let the noodles soften up a little bit. Because the noodles themselves are the only thing that's throwing me off. Because this chicken tastes really good. I don't know what this is. Okay, that tastes like a... It's either a bean sprout or a mushroom. That white one. I don't know, maybe I should just let the noodles stay in the broth for a while. Maybe that will change the texture of it. But yeah, let me also try the milkis. Milky yogurt drink. Let's try this. Okay, bottoms up. Oh, okay. Refreshing and creamy taste. You know, I like this. This is actually really good. I thought I was gonna hate it because I was like, wait, milk and yogurt as a drink? How does that work? I would definitely buy this again. This tastes really good. Thank you, Hongjun. Yeah, I like this a lot. I think I'm addicted to this and banana milk now. I still want to try the coffee milk, and next time I'm also going to try the strawberry. Oh, but yeah, this gets a 10 out of 10 because I like cream sodas. I now like this cream soda. I like... Now, a rating for this ramen. I did let it sit for a while in the juice, and I mean in the broth. So hopefully the noodles are less hard. Okay, I'll admit they're less hard this time. Okay, so after the noodles actually take the time to soften up, because I did put it on 4 minutes like it said to on the little tag instructions that were on the bowl. Because I thought these noodles just would not soften up at all. But after leaving it aside for a little bit and letting it sit in the hot broth, this broth is so good. I also really like how the teriyaki chicken, I don't know if it's teriyaki chicken, it just tastes like teriyaki chicken to me. But yeah, I really like how the chicken tastes. I like how everything tastes good together after, like I said multiple times, the noodles softened up. Like, tastes really good. All the flavors mix really well together. I'm kind of getting addicted to it now that the noodles have actually softened up. I would rate this a 7 out of 10. Only because of the fact that I have to wait to eat it. But yeah, thank you for watching. I will be going live on Saturday. By the time this video comes out, I'll probably already be going live. And my hair will be completely twisted. And I don't know if you can see, but I tried to do like a galaxy type style this time. But yeah, Brownie's new collar. I forgot to post about it. I got this one as a gift from a friend. This has been Ryan Deere. Thank you for watching.